Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna show y'all how I do my lips, and it's a question I get asked quite often. I do have naturally full lips, at least my bottom lip is anyways, but I'm gonna show y'all how I get the perfected sculpted lip that I always do. It's what I'm known for. Your girl can do lips. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking On the Bar lip liner by Dolly Monroe Cosmetics, and it looks like this. I use it all the time, and it's my go-to lip pencil. You can sharpen it because, girl, what? When I tell you, I have used this thing down, okay? So let's start there. I'm gonna just start by sharpening my pencil a little bit just to get that nice clean edge. I'm gonna just start by just lining my lips. I always like to smile so I can get a nice clean line, or you can tuck your lip. Now I'm going to start to pull this color towards the center of my lip. I'm just using the side of the pencil, pulling inwards. Like so. Does not have to be perfect. We're good. We've got some shape, and this adds to that fuller looking lip. One step that the girlies are not talking about is blending. I'm going to just take an angled brush, and I'm just gonna start from the deepest, darkest point and blend this color in. You could also totally use your finger to do this, but I found that it gets a more clean line when I use a lip brush or an angled brush. And I can also clean up this. Okay, you're gonna make sure that's nice and smooth. Now the only way to get that is with a lip brush. Now, sometimes naturally when you're applying lip pencil, your pressure is going to change. So you might apply more pressure in the Cupid's bow and then start to soften your pressure. That is where you're going to get different hues or different colors of the same lip pencil, where it might appear darker in one spot and lighter in the other. Correct that again using a brush. This is going to help also conceal any type of like texture, because my lips have a lot of texture. And lip liner is also going to help your lipstick or gloss stay on longer throughout the day. The girlies are skipping over the importance of the lip. This really helps to finish off the look next to your lashes and your brows, of course, but this is going to help to finish off your look and tie everything in together. So don't skip this step. It's just as important. We need you to slow it down a little bit so we can get the perfect sculpted lip that every lady deserves. This is one of my favorite lip glosses, and this is in the shade So Icy. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see that although it appears to be like this nude color, you're also gonna get reflex of pink and even blue. I'm gonna show you later what that looks like in the sunlight. It is gorgeous, it's to die for. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a little bit of So Icy and apply it. Oh, she's gorgeous. Okay, let's not play. This is the it girl of the group. She's the it girl. So we're gonna apply this right into the center of the lip. And I'm mostly focusing on the center of my lip. A nice, simple lip combination. Only required 2 products. Of course, you can purchase both of these products from Dolly Monroe Cosmetics at shop.dollymonroe.com.